Oh, I'm so scared that it'll look bad. Not because like the hair is gonna be done bad, but because it's just gonna look bad on me. And I think I need to rework that mindset. Hi, I'm Yaya, and today I'm getting an icy blonde wig installment. I have never done real color before. I do 1, which is like jet black, or 1B, which is natural black, or like sometimes I'm feeling spicy, and I do a 2, which is a brown. Hair is definitely connected to self-confidence for me. If I am not, feeling great or like, wanting to do stuff, like it'll show. I'm leveling up because it's 2021 and the world is opening back up. Things are happening. Growing up, it was definitely like, traditional styles. Like grew up with braids all through high school. That's like been a learning journey. I tend to sometimes overthink things. I've been scared to do this because I don't want to be ugly with blonde hair. There's definitely like a lot of voices from a lot of places, all saying not to. Wigs are really about versatility, I think, and then also about like experimenting. Fear of dyeing your hair blonde isn't really a thing anymore because you don't have to.
Hi, I'm Millicent Reid. I am a wig expert located in Los Angeles, California. Since the pandemic, I've been doing a lot of wigs, installing lace front wigs. I do have my own wig collection. I'm the co-owner of SMS Beauty Shop, so we get our wigs from us. So what wigs mean to me, it's deeper than me. And my mom was a dancehall queen and she would change her hair color from red to green to platinum blonde. Wigs, I feel like it's our crown and it's very powerful. So what are we doing to your hair today?
So today I am, biting the bullet. I want to go icy. If it can look natural coming from my scalp, that's the vibe.
Can we get some spirals though? Like
yes,
like big. We want it big and out and vibrant. Like
Beyonce, sweetie.
I am ready to go. Let's work on this.
Yes, thank you. I just want a big change.
First, I'm going to cornrow Yaya's hair. I'm going to need to use the hot comb because I want the braids to lay very, very flat. I'm going to put makeup on the wig so it matches her skin tone. Then I'm going to make slits in the lace. Then I'm going to take this bold hold glue. This is an adhesive glue that is going to stick the lace to her skin. After that, I'm going to bond the wig with the glue. So now we're gonna take a scissors and I'm going to cut the excess lace off of the front and then also try not to pull so hard that the lace actually pulls up. I'm going to use a hot comb to make sure that the lace and the hair match. I am going to take our wrapping lotion and my edge brush, and I'm going to make baby hairs. I'm going to take the Got2b glue and to spray the front of her hair. Next, I'm going to tie the black wrap around her head, and then I'm going to dry it. Yaya wanted some spirals, so we're gonna give her some nice medium spirals. Then to finish it off, I'm going to cut off the black band. I'm going to take a heat protectant and I'm going to spray in the front of her hair just to give it some shine. And voila, we're finished.
Yeah. Oh my God, I'm like shaking. I feel a lot of different ways, but I do love it. I feel like it's perfect for what I was looking for. This is probably the biggest physical change I've done ever. This installation makes me feel like, everything that I have been hesitating to do, it's time to do it.
I think you look beautiful. You can rock anything. As Black women, we love to do different looks, and this look on you is just amazing.
Seeing her reaction made me smile because I've been working so hard on this. So if I made her happy, it makes me happy. She's not afraid to think outside the box and do something like this, and I was for it.
Well, everyone's going to be looking at me, so I'm gonna roll with it. So it's boosted my confidence because I'm pretty. And I'm still pretty with blonde hair. I'm super excited to find out who I am with this hair. I feel like I have the energy and the space and the ability to find who this is with this Yaya, Millicent really understood what I meant when I said I wanted to make sure that the blonde I went was something that looked good with my skin tone. So I definitely like this shade. I wouldn't have wanted to go any sort of other blonde.
How Yaya can maintain the wig is to tie down the wig with a silk wrap around her hair to keep the lace in the front laid. You don't want it to lift, because if it lifts, you look crazy. The wig can last forever, but you have to maintain it. Every 2 weeks, you need to get the front redone.
I do feel very like glam. I do feel like I'm about to get off a jet. I feel super leveled up. Like, I've unlocked a new character. Like, I've digivolved. This is a new look. I can always go back to my old look. Like, I now just have this new thing in my Pokedex.
Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.